Hi, I'm Eleonora Stacchiotti from Euromet. Euromet is a company based in Italy, and I'm here to present you our flagship product, that is our Arachno. And this is the most classical version, but this year we have a new logo. So we use it with projectors and LCD screens, and I'm here to present you our new product for this year. And so we basically implemented the older product with the L-shape support that allows you more mobility of the product, so that you can have the Arachno portrait, that is a vertically oriented projection. And then we also can offer you the horizontally oriented version of it that can allow you a landscape projection. And also, it allows you to project images on the ground, and this is basically our new version of the product. So thank you. Our website is euromet.com, and over there you can find a general catalog of all of our products and extra information about this one project. Thank you very much.